In a bowl, I mix 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and teaspoons of honey. Coffee offers some potential sexual benefits, like increased libido, boosted sexual stamina, and improved erectile function. In addition to being a major source of polyphenols, coffee has the potential to increase testosterone levels, initiate a series of pharmacologic reactions that lead to the relaxation of the cavernous smooth muscle and improve blood supply through penile arteries. In general, honey has been acknowledged for its vasodilation effects that improve erections in men who face impotence issues. Along with other foods like coffee and chocolate, honey has been suggested to be a natural aphrodisiac. Aphrodisiacs are substances that supposedly increase libido and sexual arousal. The benefits of tangerine, which has many positive effects on human health and body, are as follows. Rich in vitamin C, contributes to bone development, protects eye health with its vitamin A feature, high source of antioxidants, rich in flavonoids, benefits the immune system. While more research is needed, the existing evidence suggests that ginger can improve erectile function, fertility, and libido. However, experts say ginger supplementation alone is unlikely to treat sexual dysfunction. Embracing ginger's antioxidant powers could be your secret weapon to improve your sex life naturally. Lastly, combine all the ingredients including the honey and coffee mixture. tangerine juice and sliced ginger. Add hot water, stir well and mix evenly before consuming.